stand for the heart of our today's celebration, the moment on which our entire program is built. Through this concept-based drama, our class students will take us on the great art story, a story of choices, care, kindness and courage. A story that shows how small children can become big protectors of our planet and our nation. Over to class 2.
A very warm and respectful good morning to everyone present here. On behalf of our PYP learning community, I welcome you all to this special program. Today we come together as an IB PYP community to celebrate an inspiring, meaningful action. We are on to welcome our chief guest and our special guest. Your presence inspires us to become caring, principled and internationally minded learners. A warm welcome to our managing director, teachers and parents who support every step of our in the PYP.
And of course, welcome to our dear students, the thinkers, communicators and change makers of today's event. We hope you enjoy the program. Welcome once again.
Welcome everyone to our concept-based drama, When Earth Fell Sick. Today, our learners will show how Earth systems are connected and how our actions make a big difference.
Our story begins in the Happy Earth village where soil, water, air, land, animals and weather work together like a big family.
Welcome to my home, the Earth village. I am healthy because all my parts work together like a big family.
Plant story.
I give water to every living being. I give oxygen and protect everyone.
We are all living beings. We depend on soil, water and air. मिट्टी, पानी, हवा तीन अलग नहीं, तीनों एक ही सुपर पावर हैं.
We need sunlight, soil, water and clean air.
We depend on plants and water.
I give light and energy for plants to make food.
I bring water to earth. I bring heat, cold, wind and rain.
We are the rocket, we keep Earth healthy.
Watch how Chinese water system and Earth system compare.
Hello, I'm a small human boy. Just like you have systems, I also have systems.
Really? Tell us.
Lungs like your air, blood like your water, bones like your soil, and feelings like your bicycle. If one of my part gets hurt, my whole body feels bad.
Just like me, if one Earth system gets hurt, the whole planet feels sick.
इंसान के बॉडी पार्ट्स और धरती के सिस्टम्स दोनों एक सिलेबस के चैप्टर्स हैं.
But something goes wrong. Human being to act carelessly. This is where problems start and we explore the idea of causation. I don't care.
I will use as much water as I want.
Don't waste me, don't waste me, don't waste me.
Let's cut trees to make space. Without trees, I'm slipping away.
Pollution is hurting me. Temperatures are rising, storms and floods are increasing.
I am feeling sick.
पेड़ गए तो शैडो गई तो कूलनेस गई.
Today our performance bringing this beauty to our life, presenting a special dance dedicated to our planet, a dance hope of happiness and harmony. Please welcome the performance.
अब हम इंसान इस धरती पर आराम से रह सकते हैं क्योंकि हमारे पास बिल्डिंग्स है, फैक्ट्रीज है, मॉल्स है, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर्स है. हा 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 हा.
अरे रुक जा रे बंदे, अरे थम जा रे बंदे, कि कुदरत फंस पड़ेगी हो. किसे काफिर कहेगा, किसे कायर कहेगा, तेरी कब तक चलेगी.
मैं ये सब ट्री कट करके यहाँ पर हाईवे बनाऊंगा।
है जो लहू मेरा बहता चला, देखो जुनून मेरा कहता चला। ख्वाबों का थामका जो बहता चला।
I give you fruits. I am a tree, I give you medicine. I am a tree, I give you oxygen. I am a tree, I give you environment.
When we feel sick and also feel pain,
सोचो अगर मिट्टी लॉग आउट हो जाए तो प्लांट्स लॉग इन कैसे होंगे? I am polluted and disappeared. I am filled with smoke.
We cannot grow.
oh, you look like a sick person. When I am sick, my head hurts, I feel tired, I cannot run.
Yes, when humans are even left out of me, all my system starts breaking.
जब प्रकृति बस्ती पे आ जाती है तब जिंदगी हम हो रही है. But every problem has a solution. Humans realize their mistake and take responsibility to heal it.
We have caused this, but we can fix it.
Healthy soil means healthy crops.
Each means healthy people.
We can build eco-friendly machines.
We will plant trees everywhere. We will save every drop. We will reduce pollution. We will use and recycle every day.
Just like I take medicine drugs and be careful when I fall sick, we must take care of her too.
सुधार सिर्फ नीयत से नहीं होता, एक एक कदम से कल का नक्शा बनता है. धरती को दवा नहीं दिया चाहिए.
Look, what are they making?
I think it's an earthworm.
Correct. This is an earthworm, also known as a cosmic web. In this web, it shows that the water, land, air, climate, living things, the trees, and animals are all connected to Mother Nature.
जब नेचर का वेब टूट जाता है तो दुनिया ट्रबल शूटिंग मोड में आ जाती है. प्रकृति एक नेटवर्क है, एक वायर कट हुई तो पूरा सिस्टम क्रैश.
Thank you, you all repair my systems. Now I feel strong, healthy and clean.
Just like me, Only when we take care of our own body, it becomes healthy. When we take care of her, she becomes healthy.
Everyone together, Earth is alive, Earth is connected, Earth is a responsibility, we will protect it always.
धरती को सेव करना ब्रांड नहीं, लाइफटाइम सब्सक्रिप्शन है. Earth is not a problem to solve, it is a home to upgrade.
Now I request everyone to stand up and take the pledge position. I promise to protect Earth. I will save water. Plant trees. Reduce waste. And keep my surroundings clean. My small actions will help Earth stay healthy. A healthy Earth means a healthy future for all.
Our drama ends with a hopeful message. If we protect the earth will protect us. Small steps can make big changes.
Today's program wasn't just a show. It was a message, a reminder, and a celebration of our learning. Every show becomes grand when we get a helping hand.
Save Earth is not a favor, it's our fundamental duty.
So with a great heart today, I have a few words to say. On behalf of our entire team, I extend my heartfelt thanking to our special guests and managing directors, all our teachers, our dear parents, and of course our wonderful students. Thank you for your time, energy and encouragement. Your presence makes our event truly special. Have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you.
When freedom is misused, Earth suffers. When it's used wisely, Earth heals. Clean water, healthy land, safe climate and strong lives reflect the goals we share. The Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, protecting Earth protects health, life and our future generations. True freedom is not doing anything we want, but doing what is right. A free nation needs a healthy, living and protected planet. Thank you.
Now I invite Anisha ma'am to proceed further. A very good morning to our respected dignitaries. Our head of school, Mr. Sunil Sharma sir. Our chief guest, Ms. Priti Khajuria. Our guest of honors, Dr. K.C. Sharma and Dr. Uma Sharma. Our special guest, parents of class 2nd. Our PYP coordinator, Ms. Shivangi Mahajan. And our administrative coordinator, Ms. Ojaswini Gupta. And to our respective teachers, parents and my dear students. On the auspicious eve of Republic Day, we have gathered here to celebrate not only the spirit of our nation, but also the creativity, confidence and love for literature. Republic Day reminds us of our duties, rights and the power of knowledge, because an informed mind builds a strong nation. As an IB World School, we strongly believe in nurturing inquiring, knowledgeable and reflective learners. The IB PYP curriculum encourages students to express themselves confidently, think creatively and communicate effectively. Today I feel very proud to share the enriching highlights of 2 literary events that are conducted in 2025. Participation in literary competition plays a vital role in developing the creating skills and build a great communication to our students. It explores the language beyond the textbooks and become a part of global learning community. Our school strongly believes in providing our learners with multiple platforms and opportunities to explore their talents and build consistency to participate not in national but in international platforms as well. It is our IB philosophy that builds the holistic education among the learners to explore the diverse education beyond the textbooks. One such enriching experience was the Librum competition, which is an IB PYP inter-school online literary competition that was thoughtfully conducted by Learners International School, Noida. This competition provides students with great opportunities to showcase their literary skills through reading, writing, expressing, and creativity. Librum competition aligns perfectly with the ideal philosophy that promotes love for literature. Another noteworthy platform was the Overbooked competition that was conducted by Jayashree Pariwal International School, Jaipur. This competition mainly focused on deep engagement of students with the books, because the knowledge not only in books but beyond the textbooks, and our school provides such platforms to that students that explores not in national but also the international platforms. Now, let's move on to the most awaited moment of today's celebration, the felicitation ceremony, for honoring the winners as well as the participants in both the Librum as well as the Overbooked competitions. Now, I request our esteemed dignitaries to come forward for honoring the winners as well as the participants. I request our respected head of school, Mr. Sunil Sharma sir, to come forward. Our chief guest, Ms. Priti Khajuria, our guest of honors and our special guest for honoring and felicitating the students. Please sir, please our respected dignitaries, I welcome you all to come forward.